Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another tutorial video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can turn off your location and how you also can turn on your location on your PC or Windows PC. Very much simple and easy. So now what you need to do is come here and then you type your location here, something like this, and you get the result. So I always try to use this procedure because it's very much simple and easy. You can go to your settings and then find your location, but then it's going to be a long thing. So now let's stick with these procedures. So now let's tap on here, let's open it. So when you come here, you can see change here. So with this change, you can turn it off and also turn it on. So let me turn it on. So you guys, I teach you guys a lot about this location thing. So now let's come down here. You can see allow apps to access your location. So in this case, when you turn it on, you're going to allow some apps to use your location on your PC. It's going to help them function very much proper, like your maps and your weather and a lot of stuff. So now I turn it on. You can turn it off even if your location is on. So let me turn it on. Good. And then you see here, these apps want permission to use your location, something like that. So your mail and calendar, your maps, which is on. Let me turn this off, and then your weather. So when you turn this on, you're going to see that they're going to get your exact location. So after getting your exact location, when you lock your PC, you're going to see, let's say if you're in Istanbul or you're in Los Angeles, they are going to give you your location, your weather, and everything. You're going to predict everything accurately. So that's it. And if you want to clear your location, let's say you've been changing your locations, you can come on here and then you clear your location history like this. Very much simple and easy. And you clear it and then you choose the exact location. You are good to go. So to choose your default location, you tap on this. I don't have internet connection. It will take you to Edge and then you select your location, and that's it. So that's it on how you can turn on your location and also turn off your location on your PC. It's very much simple and easy. I think I've talked about everything you need to know about this location thing in this video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.